Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to close big screen mode on Steam. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The big screen mode, big picture, is a mode of Steam designed for use with your TV and game controller, so you can enjoy your Steam games from the comfort of your couch. With the press of a button, Steam displays a full screen user interface which has been completely redesigned for readability and interaction on TV. It can also use on your personal computer display. So what if you just accidentally click open the big picture on your stream and you want to close this mode? How to do it? Don't be panic. It's very simple to close this mode from your PC or laptop. So first, if you see in here, there's an option to close it, like X icon, and if you click on back, you can't. There's an option, right? So how to close this big screen mode on Steam? It's very simple. So first of all, you can go to here. You can just go back. You can go to menu. You can select on menu. There is an option power. You can select on that. So you can find there is an option exit big picture mode. You can just select on that. You can select on exit big picture mode. So now you have closed the picture mode, the big picture mode from your Steam. It's very simple, right? So that is how to close big picture mode on Steam. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.